On the 15th of September 2017, a spacecraft sent its last photographs back to Earth, then flew straight into Saturn's atmosphere on purpose. Not because it failed, not because it ran out of fuel by accident. NASA planned this ending years in advance. And the reason why has everything to do with protecting something we haven't even found yet. Here's what most people don't know. Cassini could have kept orbiting Saturn for years longer. It still had working instruments, still had things left to study. So why would NASA deliberately destroy a fully functional, multi-billion-dollar spacecraft? And what was it so afraid Cassini might do if they didn't? Cassini launched in 1997 and reached Saturn in 2004, beginning a 13-year mission that rewrote what we understood about the ringed planet and its moons. It discovered towering geysers erupting from Enceladus, a small icy moon jets of water vapor blasting into space from a hidden ocean beneath its frozen surface. It found lakes and rivers of liquid methane on Titan, the only other place in our solar system with stable liquid on its surface. By 2017, Cassini was running low on fuel, and that created a problem. If NASA simply let the spacecraft drift, there was a real risk it could eventually crash into Enceladus or Titan, the two moons scientists believed might actually support microbial life. Cassini, despite strict decontamination before launch, still carried traces of Earth bacteria. A crash landing risked contaminating the exact places we most needed to keep pristine. So NASA designed an ending, the grand finale. Cassini would dive through the narrow gap between Saturn and its rings, a region no spacecraft had ever entered 22 times, gathering closer data than ever before. Then, on its final pass, it would plunge directly into Saturn's atmosphere, burning up completely, guaranteeing it could never contaminate anything again. Cassini kept transmitting data the entire way down, capturing the composition of Saturn's atmosphere in real time, until the signal simply stopped. The final images and data took 83 minutes to reach Earth, meaning Cassini had already been destroyed for over an hour before anyone on the ground knew for certain it was gone. Cassini's destruction was intentional, designed years in advance to protect Enceladus and Titan from contamination. It sent data back until the very last second of its existence. The grand finale orbits gave scientists the closest ever look at Saturn's rings and atmosphere. No spacecraft has attempted to fly through Saturn's ring gap since. Somewhere beneath Enceladus's ice, there might be an ocean capable of supporting life, and Cassini's data is still being studied today to find out. If you want to know what scientists have found since, subscribe, because that's exactly what we're covering next.